Git does reviews.
Hello everybody, it's the old Git does reviews again. Right, this time I'm doing a review of the Eden Pathmaster. This is actually my wife's scooter, and you've got a fan on at the moment and cup holder. I shall get my cheat sheet out of my pocket. Let you know the details of it. It's a boot scooter, so you can dismantle and put it in a car boot. It's a 4 mile an hour scooter, so it's not road legal. It has soft, what I class as soft, solid tyres, if that makes sense. There's a little bit of squidge to the solid tyres, so you still don't have to worry about punctures. It weighs approximately 55 kilos, which, yeah, I'll let you do the working out on that one. Got a range of up to 15 miles. Got a 20 amp hour batteries, but they split in two for making it easier to get in and out of the car. And it's a maximum user weight of 21.4 stone, or 136 kilograms. So it can easily take my fat weight. So it's not a bad little scooter. It doesn't have a USB port on it, unlike some, so you can't charge your phone up while you're going. But still not a bad little scooter. I'll get you up to the shops and back, no problems, as long as you're not too far away from the shops. Right, I'm going to swap over to the tripod now. I'll show you how to dismantle it, ready for going in the boot. Put that camera down. I'm really hoping that this is recording the sound. Alright, first things first, take off the little shopping basket. Well, I say little shopping basket, it's actually one of the biggest baskets I've seen on scooters. To lock the front steering, you've got a little toggle switch that you lift up and it'll lock in place. Next thing, lever on the right hand side of the seat, turn the seat, fold the back down, and then you can lift the seat off to go in the car. Next, remove the batteries. As I said, they actually split to make it easier. I will endeavour to get the weights of these components when I get home and can get the old bathroom scales out. Next thing, as with most of these sort of scooters, you've got a twist knob at the bottom of the tiller, which is just a straight handle tiller. Fold it down and do it back up. And you can actually use that to help you lift the front section into the car. Right, unlike some scooters, this actually has a lever for detaching and reattaching. So I pull the lever back to detach, and then lift and separate. And that, as you can see, is the scooter disassembled. And you just lift them into the back of your car, or if you're strong enough, you can leave the drive section attached and lift the whole bottom into the boot if you've got a big enough boot. Right, reassemble so we can get the wife going again. You've actually got two slots that it will bar at the bottom here will actually slot into on the drive, so it makes it somewhat easier than my boot scooter, and you just drop it down. That's it, locked in place. Go back to the tiller. Unlock it, screw it back up. I dare say I'm going to have to readjust this for the wife. And then pop your batteries back on. Pop your seat back on. Lock it back in place. And last but not least, a little shopping basket, or not so little. And that just slots in like that. So that is the Eden Pathmaster Deluxe. That the wife uses. I have used it a couple of times, and generally the softer compound of the solid wheels does give a better ride, even though it does have, let me just double check, I'm sure this has suspension on it. No, it doesn't. It uses the tyres as the suspension. So that's it. Hope you enjoy it. I enjoyed the video. Oh, nearly forgot to unlock the steering, which is what I nearly always do. Otherwise, that's your lot. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Ta-da for now. Adios.
That's the verdict. Like it or don't, but now you know. Subscribe if you fancy more.